I'm back. It's time for another thrift with me. I feel like it's been forever since my last one. So here we go. I just moved into my new house. If you guys missed my moving vlog, definitely check that out. But we're still getting settled. I can't find any of my clothes, so this is the best I could do today. It's cute. Anyways, we're gonna pick up something from Facebook Marketplace first. We also have to make an IKEA return, but then after that, we're gonna go thrifting. Oh, I forgot lip liner. 1 second. I'm so excited. It's actually been like 2 months since I've been thrifting. Probably the longest time I've been away from it. Ugh, I don't feel cute today, but that's okay. Maybe we'll find some cute clothes and then it'll make me feel better. Okay, I think we're ready. I think I need to give my son a treat first because we're gonna be gone for a while and I feel bad. Let's see if he wants one. Kobe, do you want one? Come here. Come here. You want it? Okay, you can have it. Oh, here you go. It's all gone. You're a good boy. Make that boy. See you later. Okay, let's go. I've always wanted one of these lights. They're so cute. They have the donut lamp. So sick.
By the front door.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
And
I have a pretty big haul here. This is the little table we wanted for in between our orange chairs. It's so cute. Where'd he go? Where are you? I lost you. Look at the cat.
Or is it a dog?
Oh, I think it's a dog. Darn, I thought it was a cat. This is so cute. Here's our little guys that we got.
Hello.
They're so silly. Oh, who did that? Ooh.
Those would be cute on the IKEA shelf, and you could put like...
We should get those. IKEA pretzel for today. Hi Vloggy, we just picked up our really cool painting from Facebook Marketplace. It's, oh, there's Zachy Bear. It's literally from like the 60s, but now we're at Uptown Cheapskate. And I've never been to this one, but it looks super bougie, so let's go inside. Wow. I found some cute stuff already, guys. Cutie little Urban Outfitters dress. It's kind of cute. I'll try it on. I loved this one. I can't tell if it's like vintage or anything. It's kind of hard to see on the hanger, but it's like a halter neck. And then it has this really cute like flower belt. Let's try her on. And then some True Religion low-rise jeans, of course. Gotta try those on. And then I found some shoes, but they're like buried at the bottom, so I'll try those on at the end and show you guys. Okay, let's go back and look some more. Diesel new with tags. I wish it was cooler though. I feel like it's not that cool. Darn. They got the Skims leather bike shorts with the thong in it. I didn't know Lemmy had clothes. You know, it's like, it's Kourtney Kardashian's like vitamin brand. I'm like, these are kind of fire, but they're not my size. Anyways, I found some Levi's shorts, kind of cute. And then these Urban Outfitters ones were kind of cute, but I'll have to try them on. I don't know if like, it looks like you're wearing like tidy whities under. I gotta try them on, so they're cute. Oh, cute, 2022 Coachella. They're so cute.
It's like the black ones you have.
I know. Ooh,
Be a fancy
sexy.
boy when I work out.
Yeah.
Anyway, wear like workout hats, so.
Cute. They have a whole Urban Outfitters section, so I'm already digging in. Nothing yet though. I feel like this location is a lot smaller than the other one. Okay, it's try on time. First I went ahead and tried on the True Religion jeans. They weren't as low rise as I was hoping for, plus I felt like the length was kind of awkward on me. They're just like a little too long. Honestly, looking back at this clip, it doesn't even look that bad, but I did end up passing on those. Next were the Levi's shorts. Nothing too crazy. They weren't really speaking to me, so I did pass on those too. And then I did end up getting the little sporty Urban Outfitters shorts. They were so comfortable and I honestly really liked the look of them. So I got those, and oh my god, you guys, this Urban Outfitters dress was just not it. It just didn't feel like me, and I honestly just looked very shapeless, so I passed on that. Okay, and then the best for last, of course, I ended up getting this vintage halter neck dress. Like, just look at this. It fits so perfectly, and I love the little belt and the ruffles, and just everything about it was perfect, so of course I had to get that. I think these are gonna be too small. They're 5.5, but these ones were cute. They felt kind of cheap though, so then I found the UGG version instead. Let's try one. Feel kind of small.
I'd probably pass then.
Yeah.
Because you would probably wear those with socks,
yeah.
right? So like,
yeah, I'll pass.
they're cool.
Okay, what'd you get, Pookie? One shirt?
I got a shirt
Fuki
from...
got a pleasure shirt.
Yeah, that was cute.
It is cute. I got my Urban Outfitters shorts. I love a good comfy short, you know? And then I got my cutie little vintage dress. I'm literally gonna wear these I'm gonna wear this for my birthday pictures, I think. So now we're gonna go to Turnstile Consignment, which is 0.2 miles away on the right. It's past this light right here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, see it? Oh, this one looks fancy. Oh my god! Slow down!
There's also home stuff here.
Oh my god, I forgot. Here we go. Save me, save Ramadan. Playing the jams in here. It's pretty sick. Love her hair.
Yeah, she looks like a One Piece character.
Yeah, I see it. That's you and me and Carl.
Yeah.
It's huge in here.
I love that.
It's way more chill than the last store.
Yeah.
It just was not the vibe in there. The pet stuff, look at this.
That'd be so cute. Put a picture of Carl in there.
Yeah, do you like it? It's $6.
Put the one where he's just...
Goofy face.
Yeah,
This is pretty cool. Oh my god, it's heavy.
I think it's the same artist as that one.
The other one, yeah.
Over there.
These Andy Warhol. Those are crazy. It's like the whole set.
Yeah, remember I was showing you some like art prints of that? That was like the thing would be cool. Yeah, I think we gotta get those.
Yeah, they're pretty sick.
That's like totally the vibe we're
Oh,
going
I like
for.
this one.
We could even just like
brand
put those
new
out.
too. Yeah, like the eBay listing.
Yeah, it's cool. They're like new in the box. Oh, here, I'll show you.
1997.
Damn. Show the box figure, stand up.
Oh yeah.
Look at the front. It goes
Yeah.
so hard.
You can tell this is just like old.
Well, only 23.
Oh, 23.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Well, here. Good, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. These are so delicious. Is it available in red? Oh, that's so cute. My bedroom when I was a baby was like that style of Winnie the Pooh, where it's like all pastel like that.
That's actually so cute.
Yeah.
It's more expensive than these. 31.
Oh wow. These are a vibe. Are these like the bougie martini glasses? They are. Like the early 2000s with like the bags on them and the shoes.
Should we get them?
I kind of want to look at it. I just want to see. I just remember like always seeing these everywhere in the early 2000s.
Should we get those?
They're kind of cool. They have
You'd
like
be cool.
the shoes.
Because you put like jewelry.
That's what I was thinking. I was
earrings or
literally gonna say
something.
that. How much are they?
$6 a piece.
I might get them. I just feel like they'd be cute in my
Is this one
office.
different?
Oh look. And I like the boxes too. Like I could put stuff in it. But like look at all the ones you can collect. There's like so
I know,
many
you
on
happen
there.
to get the bag on. Oh yeah, see that one's
Oh yeah, this one's like watches or something.
You gotta get them. Those are like the two coolest
Oh,
ones.
this is so cute.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
I think I have to get these just for the vibes. And like the bottom's like a clock too. They're just so cute. Recipe on the bottom? Oh, it's like a...
How to make the drink.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll get these. They're just really cute. So cute. I just kind of want to like decorate my office with stuff like that. That's totally the vibe. Look how cute this Coach bag is. I wish it wasn't gold. I think it's so cute. $61. So cute. I mean, I really like it. I just don't know, like, can't really tell on the camera, but the handle and stuff is like so orange. But it is really cool, and it's marked down to $14.
I think it could
Let me
slay.
see it on me. It's pretty cute though. That's some cute jewelry. Oh my god. These are cute. They have like diamonds on the side. I love these. They're giving Lisa. And these. Really cool.
They got the Harley ring.
It's not gonna fit, is it?
It's like elastic
Oh, but it's like giant.
on the thumb.
I think you should rock it. It fit you.
Yeah, maybe we'll get it.
It's pretty fire.
Yeah, we'll get it. It's only $5.
Should I get all of these?
Yeah.
Okay. Got some good stuff. I'm glad we went to this one. Aren't you?
Heck yeah. I'm hyped about the home stuff.
I know.
That's really nice.
Really cool. I will do a full haul when we get home, but first, smoothie, I think.
Check the facts, go check that. Check the facts, go check that. Check the stats, go check that.
You right in there. Hi! Hi! Are you sleeping? I got my jammies on. Okay, haul time. First, we went to Uptown Cheapskate and I got this really cute vintage dress. It's like a halter and I love the ties. And a little flower. This is like tulle. It has like a paper tag and it says made in USA. I'm trying to read the brand. Sabora, I think, but it's definitely vintage. It looks really cute on. And then I got the Urban Outfitters little shorts for the sporty vibes. These are only 10 bucks. Zachy Bear got this shirt by Pleasures. I love the like gradient. Super cute, baby. Crazy, I'd marry you, I'd date you. True. Okay, so that was all I got from Uptown Cheapskate. At Turnstile, I got this vintage Guess bag. I'm actually really glad I got this because at first I wasn't gonna get it because I didn't know how I felt about like the orange, but I feel like it's quite the vibe. And then I got this really cool belt. I'll try it on for you. I love this style of belt and I love the color. And then I got a bunch of jewelry. They had some really good jewelry actually. Oh, here's Pookie's ring. He got a little skull ring, can you see? And then he also got this Harley ring, Harley Davidson. I wish this fit me so bad. Then I got these cross earrings. Love.
Those are my favorite.
I know, I love those too. Yeah, we can share them. I liked these a lot. Super cute. Oh, these are gonna be really cool. I love the dangle. Zachy Bear got Nike shorts. These are gonna be cute on you. Then you got some sweaty pants. Also Nike, wow. Ooh, cute. My martini glasses. These are just a vibe. They're so cute. I looked it up too. They sell for like 40 bucks on eBay and they were $6 a piece. This one's cute too. All the purses and shoes on there. Our Andy Warhol Marilyn Monroe glasses. These just match the vibe of our house slash kitchen in general. So I'm really excited about these. They're just so sick. And that's all for thrifting. And we did get a lot of shit at IKEA. So we did get the white table. Insert photo here because it's in a box. We got this cool rug. That's like an outdoor mat. A dish drying rack. And this is to like put pots on. And these storage bins for like rice and stuff. Wow, so exciting, right? These cork things for pots. Oh, these were cute. They're just like little stands, I guess, for like trinkets and stuff. Zachy Bear got a trash can for his office. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff in this bag. I love shopping. It's so fun buying house stuff. And we got these, insert photo here. We want to put like mail or like magazines or stuff like that, but they're really cute and super cheap. And then we got this super cute lamp. I love IKEA lamps. And then we've been wanting this for a long time. It's the like security style mirror, like bubble mirror. I feel like this is gonna look so cool in here. Good stuff. And then we picked up a art poster from Facebook Marketplace. Kind of scary, not gonna lie. The guy was just like a little weird. It'd be like that sometimes. Sometimes you have to go through that to get the good stuff, I guess. But it's really cool and it matches like all the colors in our living room, so wow. Oh.
It's from 1966.
1966, Pookie.
It's crazy.
Yay! I think we had a successful shopping day. Okay, that's all for this video. See you guys next time. Bye!